Old YouTube is back, called Camtape. You guys can see on the screen, you can actually see the similarity in logo. You can see old YouTube. Like if you have been using YouTube way back then, you can see that this previous YouTube logo and this particular current Camtape actually have a similar, similar logo. Aside from that, Camtape, if you log in, they actually have a website. You can actually go to Google Chrome, just search for Camtape, just to register. Although I'm going to put you through that. They have a website and they also have a mobile app, just the way YouTube. You can actually log in on YouTube, using our desktop version, log on to YouTube, or we can actually just go ahead and download the mobile app and log into YouTube through our mobile app. Same it is with Camtape. And if you now log in, I'm going to be doing a screen recording. I'll also be putting it up on the screen. Sorry, I can't do a concurrent recording because the phone I'm supposed to use, that's the phone I'm actually using to record, and so I'll just attach it here. But if you don't understand anything, do what to let me know in the comment section. I'm going to be right there to answer all of your questions. And if you have not subscribed, please do what to hit on the subscribe button before you go and like this video if you actually find value at the end of the video. You don't have to like now, just chill. So as I was saying, so if you log into Camtape, there's the interface. It's just as if they took the interface of the old YouTube. If you have been using the previous YouTube, nowadays YouTube is like changing different things, changing their interface, adding things, adding that. But the previous and old YouTube, the way it is, like the way it has been, those that have been using YouTube, if you log on to Camtape, you can testify. It has sections for, where you can actually see videos. And one nice thing about this is that you will not see unnecessary ads. All those unnecessary ads that usually come and disturb. No, you're not unnecessary. And another good thing about this is that you can use this to promote your YouTube videos, like your main YouTube videos. Let me teach you how. So because this platform is technically new or how should I say it? It is new and it is not new. It is new because a lot of people are just getting to find out about it, but it is not new because it has actually been in existence way before now, but people do not really know about it. But now, just the way we discovered Rumble and people are using Rumble, same way Camtape is coming out. But the way you can use Camtape and to your own benefit is what I actually want to explain in this video. Please calm down so you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's say you are in a football niche. First of all, you need to pick a clear niche of whatever niche, like whatever thing you want to do on YouTube. Pick a clear niche. Don't just do things randomly. So once you have your clear niche on YouTube, go and open that same niche that you're focused on YouTube. If it's food, okay, let me just use food for example. If it's food that you're doing on YouTube, go and open food niche on Camtape. So because it is new, no ads, they're actually pushing like their videos. People that have been posting there, like you just be seeing lot of it does not have any algorithm. Yes, the way YouTube works with algorithm, Camtape does not work with algorithm. So meaning when you put when you post a content, it only work with what is trending, like what is going viral. You understand? So there's not really one algorithm, the way people are watching your videos and all. It's only push out your content according to what is trending. So this one is even like a tip for people that are actually posting trending topics. Like those that are posting trending topics, they actually have like eye edge over others. At the same time, does not mean if your content is not trending, does not mean you will not still get the views. You will still get it. Like it's still pushing out content compared to the way YouTube is. People have been struggling on YouTube for so many years to monetize, and yeah. So once you post on Camtape, remember I said the same niche on your YouTube is the same niche you should do on Camtape. Please do not post your full video on Camtape, and I'm going to tell you why. The full video can be on your YouTube. At first you can start posting like your full video, like when you are just starting out, you can post your full, maybe like the first 10. The first 10 video can actually be your full video. After the first 10, this is why I said post first 10 can be your full videos, because you're trying to get an audience first and you're trying to get people to discover your channel. So after like the first 10, do not post your full video anymore. Post only your full videos on YouTube and post maybe like a snippet or the most catchy part of your video, or a part that want people to, want to watch the video, like something that like a hook. You can post your hook. They can be like 22 seconds. You can also see, maybe as I'll be doing the screen record, you can see some videos that are like less than a minute. Those are like just snippets of videos. You understand? The full video is actually going to be on YouTube. So by then, because you have posted like 10 videos, you'd have gotten like some audience. So when you now start posting a snippet, you can now direct them. You can now put, they can go ahead and watch the full video on your YouTube channel. And to make it easier, your Camtape name, the name you use to open your account or whatever, make sure it is the same with your YouTube, so they don't find it difficult to, reach you. If the name tallies, you understand, it can be easier for them. And the reason why I said, another reason why I said, you should not post your full video on Camtape is because currently you cannot earn from your views on Camtape. The only advantage currently now is that you can get views. It is pushing out content real good. So it's just like using one stone to kill two birds. Like, you will get your audience, get people from Camtape, then direct them to your YouTube channel. That's why I said it has to be on same niche. If you're going to be switching niche, there's no how you direct them to come to YouTube when they're coming to meet a different thing entirely. But if it's actually the same niche, then it's going to work fine and good. But currently, you cannot, the way YouTube pay for views, like even if you have like 500 views, 1,000 views, YouTube will pay you. Camtape, they don't pay for views, but they give you the visibility. That visibility that you have been struggling to get on YouTube, Camtape is ready to give it to you. Just post a snippet. Like I said, the first 10 video can be full. Then post a snippet of your video, the hook, the most interesting part of it, what to make people want to to continue watching. You will not post this. I don't know if you guys are actually trying to get what I'm trying to say. So once you direct them over, that way you're building your own YouTube audience, and that way you're now triggering the YouTube algorithm. Because when YouTube see that people are coming from outside, because that's what YouTube like. YouTube love is when people are staying on their platform. People are coming from outside to stay on their platform to watch videos in their platform, or on their platform rather. So that way you can build your 4,000 watch hour, get your 1,000 subscribers, get monetization, and continue with your growth here on YouTube. So if you have not checked out Camtape, just go ahead, check out. It's just like the whole version of YouTube. It's like the interface. It's like the person that actually built that site, you really went to copy the old YouTube, right? And just created it. Yeah. So if you have found value, I don't know if you guys actually picked. I know that we have smart ones around in this particular channel. We have smart people that can pick and understand what I'm trying to say. But if you still have questions, maybe you don't understand or you don't know how to go about it, then let me know in the comment section. Maybe I should make a separate video, but I feel like it's actually straightforward, because once you just click on Camtape on Google, or you can just go to Play Store, just download it, just the way you download our YouTube, and log in, use your email, put in all of that. Yeah, it's very easy. So once you log in, you can start posting your content and all. You can even start watching people's video, just to see how the platform, just play around it. So you can let me know still if you have any question, and if you have found value, please do what to hit the subscribe button, do what to like, and do what to share. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.